You can see, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, it's about to rain. Ah! Oh, I love this. This is what I call nature doing its job. So lovely. So lovely. I feel like standing out here once it starts raining. Oh my God. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the leaves. This is beautiful. This is so much. I really love this. I don't want to go inside. I want to stay out here to enjoy fresh air. Oh, we need fresh air. We all need fresh air. Oh wow. It's better I do it now, because if I don't, that creature will come and eat them up. One ugly creature like that. Hate it so much. Oh my God. And if they fall on the ground now, they will have cracks. I'm gonna show you the ones that fell on the ground that has a lot of cracks on them. I'm talking and one just fell right now. No cracks. Oh yeah, see the crack. I have so many broken mangoes. Once they fall on the ground, they will have cracks. So many of them, a lot of cracks, and nobody likes the ones with cracks. Nobody wants to buy them. But you know, people, they won't buy it. But if you give it to them for free, they will take. That's humans for you. But I do give them out for free. Of course, there's no point selling the cracks. And I'm going to show you the good ones. These are the good ones. Some of them are so ripe. These ones are overripe. They are very soft. This is what I just picked right now. Almost a full bucket. And I'm going to show you the ones that spoiled so far. This is where we dump the ones that have spoiled. You can see them. You can see them. And these are the cracks, because not everybody actually likes cracks. So if I can't see people to give them out for free, and then I'll throw them here because nobody wants them, and I'll sell the good ones. At least it's adding as a manure to our garden. Yeah, because this is where we have our plantains. Look closely. You will see our plantains. Yeah. Can you see them? Yeah, this is my little garden for plantains. So let these mangoes add as manure to them. This is my orange tree. We only have like few spoiled oranges up there. And very soon it will start growing again.